Micah, you okay?
Yikes!
Yikes. Go, Micah. No, don't do that.
Grubby buns.
We got bubbles on this. You can stand back a little bit farther. Oh, Gideon, that was Trixie. It did. It did flip you over. Hey, Louie, don't do that. You keep getting bubbles on Grandma's lens.
Grandpa's got to clean that up.
Go, Micah. Whoa!
They got bare butts. They'd fly. There you go.
That was a fun ride. Oh, don't take